Whoa, my back is killing me. Hold up a second. Check this out. So did you know by sitting too much, working on your laptop or doing homework, if you done this long enough, like hours, many hours per day, per weeks, per year, it can really take a big toll off your back. I find this out the hard way. Before, I was doing a lot of work on my laptop, on my computer, and I've been sitting on the desk, every day, for more than 8 hours, and which is insane. And at the beginning of the first few months, it was just sore. But if you continue to do this long enough, all day long, sitting on your desk, working on your computer, if you do this long enough, it will actually gradually damage your back, your spine, your nerves in your back. And sometimes if you do it long enough, it may cause permanent damage to your back. So if you understand what I'm talking about and you're also feeling the back pain that I'm going through, choosing the right desk is actually very important. And today I have this beautiful adjustable desk that I need to show you. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Protecstation. It's great to see you all. So today I'm very excited to share to you all that I got a hold of this adjustable standing desk. It's also rollable, and choosing the right desk will be very important, especially for those that need to do a lot of work on your desk, you're always on the screen like more than 8 hours a day, or even 8 hours a day. If you work long enough sitting on your desk long enough, it will eventually injure your back. I've been through this problem before. I mean, my previous job, I need to be on my desk working at home for more than 12 hours a day. I was like working and starting my little business, and throughout time that sitting actually caused my back to have a lot of pain. And at the time I did not know about adjustable standing desk. I don't know if they have it. They might have it, but I mean at that time I just have no clue about adjustable standing desk. And eventually I injured my back, and as of now I stopped working on the computer for that long, but even though I stopped working that long, I still have this permanent back pain. And today I'm very excited to share to you all choosing the right adjustable standing desk is very important. There's many adjustable standing desks out there. There's big one, there's small one like this one, but this one it's like a very great size, ergonomic compact size, and it's adjustable, and it also has a wheel, has 4 wheels that you can roll the desk. And the benefit of having rollable desk, you don't have to be stuck on one station. You can easily move your way to like, let's say if you're working at home, you can start working on the living room, and then if you have something going on in the kitchen, you can just roll the desk to the kitchen, or roll the desk to the office, or and then all your work will stay input on the desk, and plus you don't have to be sitting on the desk for so long. The best way to do is you sit like 15-30 minutes, and then you stand up, you adjust the desk, and then you stand up, and then you do another 15 or 30 minutes. That's the best way. Don't sit or stand in one position for too long. You have to kind of have a balance, okay? Before, I did not know about this, and I sat too much and I hurt my back, but even standing too long may hurt your knees as well. So this desk is a perfect desk, because it's very compact, but it's not like so compact that you cannot put anything. It's a good size. You can put your laptop here, and you can put your mouse here, or if you have a tablet or whatever. So it's a really good size, usable size. And then the size of the desk is really nice and usable. The size of the length is about 28 inches, and then the width is about almost 19 inches, you know, so you have a pretty good real estate, you know, that you can do your real work on this desk. And then the adjustable height of this desk, you can adjust it from around 29 inches all the way to around 44 inches. So you have a really pretty good, you know, height. You know, I'm standing right now and this is the highest of the height that you can adjust. I'm around 5'7", and it's really comfortable for me to, you know, just stand here and then start, you know, working on my computer and stuff. So this is the really nice, comfortable height size for me. So in this video, I will break down in categories so you know what to expect for the video. The first category will be the simple installation. I will show you a little brief installation so you get an idea of how easy this desk can be assembled, you know, by yourself. And then I will do a pros and cons conclusion of this desk to let you know what's the pros and what's the cons. And most importantly, will I be keeping this desk for my personal use? And by the way, if you like this video so far and would like to support the channel, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It really does help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. And by the way, I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description for you to check out this desk. If you're interested or would like to learn more, please feel free to check it out. Okay, let's start out with a little open box. Open the box, get the manual out. It's very easy, 4 easy steps, just follow it. So first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and that's it. You've mastered everything. Once you got everything, let's start build it. Let's go. Boom. Wow, nice and easy, right? Look at the wheels, so slippery, so nice and smooth. With this desk, you know, it'll make your life much easier. Check out the wood pattern. The design of the desk is really nice, simple, get the job done, very practical. And when you pull up the lever, easily raise the desk to the standing position. The desk is, you know, really nice and simple, and it's not too small or not too big, just enough for you to use it as like your workspace. Put a laptop, you can put a mouse, you can put, you know, some extra stuff, books. It's really adequate size, but it doesn't hog up the space too much, as you can see. And it also rolls. You can roll it from your office to your kitchen to the living room. You can roll it to your backyard, your front yard, pretty much anywhere. Endless possibility. Really awesome. Okay, now it's time for the pros and cons conclusion for this adjustable height, rollable standing desk. Let's go with the pros first. Okay, so the first pros of this desk, it's not a feature, but it's a, you know, like a personal benefit. You know, use it long enough, you will prolong your back and spine longevity. Okay, so I think it's a pro for sure. I mean, it's not a feature, but it's a benefit, because if you use it long enough, you will save a lot of back pain, you know, so preserve your back and spine, your nervous system's longevity. So that's the first pros. And then another pros that I like about this desk is you can effortlessly adjust the desk, you know, the height. You can, you know, press down and it goes down, or you just pull the lever and it will go up. So very effortlessly, and you can move around everywhere easily, okay? And another pros about this desk that I like compared to other adjustable desks, it doesn't require a power source, you know, because with its mobility, with no power source, you can easily move the desk anywhere you want, you know. So this is another pros that I like about this desk, because it has no power source required. Then another pros that I like about this desk is the size of the desk. You know, the size of the desk is around 28 inches. I think it's a really sweet spot, not too big, not too small. And then you can, you know, pretty much move it, you know, anywhere you want, you know, without, you know, hogging a lot of space. So definitely that's a pros. And then another pros of this desk compared to other desks that I've seen, it has 4, you know, slippery wheels. Okay, so it's rollable, and you can, you know, roll it anywhere you want in your house, from your office to the kitchen to the living room, however you like. So it's really freedom. Then another pros that I like about this desk is the easy installation. I'm not really good at, you know, following instructions, you know, doing all these installation, but The installation comes in really easy and handy. I believe there's only 4 or 5 steps that you need to follow, and then to assemble this desk. Really simple. Anybody can do it. Okay, the final pros of this desk that I like, there's actually 4 colors that you can choose from. So the current one that I'm filming right now is coffee color or walnut, but I believe on the website it's coffee. And also there's a black color, and there's a white color, and also there's a wood color. Okay, so total of 4 colors that you can choose from. Remember, links will be on the bottom of the description. Feel free if you want to learn more or would like to check it out, please feel free. Okay, so after all the pros of this desk, it's time for the cons for this desk. I mean, I've gave a lot of pros of this desk, like it's almost perfect, but if I have to nitpick for the cons, this is the ones that I can come up with. So the first cons will be the desk is a little bit shaky if you type hard, okay? Even on like the lower levels, okay? So if you type hard, as you can see, the desk will shake, I mean, to me, I don't find it too annoying, but some of you may find this annoying, so I just want to give you a heads up. This will be a cons if you think the desk will be like kind of shaky, okay? So when you type hard, okay? So just keep in mind about that. But for me, it doesn't bother me that much. I don't really even notice, but some people might get annoyed, so I just want to get you a heads up. And the second cons of this desk, if you adjust this desk all the way to the highest level, it will be a little bit more shaky, okay? I mean, so far, I've seen quite a few adjustable standing desks, and most of them, when you adjust it to the highest level, it does, shakes a little bit if you start to wiggle it. I guess it's basic physics, when you build something too high or too tall, it might get a little bit more shaky. But anyways, just a nitpicking. It doesn't affect me, too much. I don't really care. I care more of my back than the, wobbly of the desk. For me, the wobbly, feels like a vibration damping thing, I guess, but I mean, as long as I don't have to sit to deal with my back pain, the wobbly just minor stuff. I'm not really too worried about that. Okay, another cons for this desk, it's another nitpick. I mean, but if you ask me, I just want to share to you all is when you want to lower the desk down, it does require a little bit force, so you just pull the lever, right? And then you just have to kind of push the desk down, it might require a little bit strength, on the manual, I think it says 1 kg of pressure to push the desk down. But for my experience, I think it might require a little bit more than that, so, but I mean, it's nothing, too crazy. But if you ask me, it's a cons, but when you lift it up, it's really effortlessly, okay? It's just that when you push it down, you just have to require a little bit more strength, not like a lot of strength, but just a little bit, so just give you a heads up, okay? And then the final cons for this desk is the wheels, okay? I mean, it's not like the wheels is bad wheels, but the wheels is a little bit slippery. Even when the wheels, you can actually lock it, okay? There's a lock, so you can lock the wheels in place so it doesn't slip. But the wheels are designed a little bit more slippery. So even if you lock it, it might skid a little bit. So you just have to keep that in mind. I mean, for me, doesn't really affect me too much, but I just want to let you guys know what to expect for this desk, so so I have to put it as a cons. Okay, now the most important question, will I be keeping this desk for my personal use? And the answer is yes, of course. I mean, like I said, I've already have accumulated a lot of back pains. I've injured my back pretty bad, so I think my back pain is pretty much kind of permanent at this point. I've done a lot of therapy stuff, and also acupuncture, but still, it doesn't really help my back too much, so, and I still need to work on my, computer a lot. And plus, for a small fraction of price of this desk compared to a therapy or acupuncture or whatever, to just soothe my back, this small price that I'm paying for this desk, totally definitely worth it, so definitely I will be keeping this desk. I've already have standing desk, okay, it's a big one, but this one is a good size, so I can actually move this desk, anywhere easily with the wheels and stuff like that. And plus I might be shooting some products unboxing with this desk, sometime in the future as well. So I think this desk is a good fit for myself. So definitely I will be keeping this desk for my personal use. And there you have it. If you liked the video and would like to support the channel, can you do me one favor and help me smash that like button? It really does help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. And if you like unboxing, tech reviews, tips and tricks, and would like to subscribe to my channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way when I have new videos, you will be notified. You may also share this video to families and friends, which I'm greatly very appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you are understanding what I'm talking about, or if you are starting to have back pains, or you already have back pains, if you understand what I'm talking about and you are already having back pains, feeling back pains, so if you understand what I'm talking about and your back is starting to, feel the pain, please stay tuned.